Sir, looking at the answer given by the Honorable Minister, sir, I would like to pose some questions. So, firstly, sir, my question was whether there is any proposal to construct flyovers, skyways, elevated corridors, and multi-level grade separators to ease the traffic congestion. So, the answer given doesn't, give the details of as to how many flyovers would be coming and how many skyways are coming and what is the elevated corridors and multi-level grade separators. That detail is not being provided in this answer, sir. Only corridors around the KBR Park and phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 is given. So I would like the Honorable Minister Sahab to please give me the details of the flyovers, the details of skyways, the details of elevated corridors, and the details of multi-level grade separators, which the GHMC proposed to take, sir. So secondly, sir, looking at the answer given by the Honorable Minister Sahab, sir, there are some 5 packages which have been mentioned. Honorable Speaker, sir, it is so unfortunate that again and again we talk about the injustice rendered to the residents of Old City. Always the Old City is neglected, and then the development always comes in New City. Whether job opportunities, whether flyovers, whether junction improvements, whether road widenings, whether anything that comes only in New City. Why not in Old City? And here, if your kind self could see the answer, sir. Sir, the Old City is package 5, 17. OAC Hospital, Bahadurpura, this is only 2, Chadarghat, Malakpet. Only 4 areas of Old City is covered, that too, it is in the last package 5. Sir, I would appreciate if the Honorable Minister and the government says that the package 1 will be Old City, I'll be very happy with that. If not package 1, make it at least package 3, not the first, not the last. And sir, the second question which I would like to know from Honorable Minister is that whether the SRDP along with other civic projects relating to Hyderabad and Musi stormwater drain would be posed to new developmental bank, that is BRICS Bank, for funding. The fourth question, sir, whether the state cabinet has approved the project proposals.
शायर आके जैसा शेर बोलता था, बादशाह बोलता था, हम ये सुने से पहले, और वो आदमी रिपीट करता था, उसका बेटा फिर रिपीट करता था. सर, वैसे जीनियसेस अपोजिशन में नहीं है सर, आपके पास है, हमारे पास नहीं है सर.